Dear students, good afternoon. Today in our computer class, we will read from page number 50 the topic Selection Techniques in MS Paint. Let us learn how to select a drawing or a part of drawing in MS Paint. First step given rectangular selection. To select a part of our drawing, we have to follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the down arrow on the select button in the image group on the home tab. We have to go on the home tab and click on the down arrow of the select button in the image group. And the next step, click on rectangular selection. A box has shown here rectangular selection. Here on the home tab, first we click and then go to click on the rectangular selection. Then step number 3, click and drag the mouse over the area to be selected. Your selection will have a dotted rectangular box around it. Here the figure has been given. You will see clearly that there is a rectangular box uh, with dot, that is for the selection. Okay, it is for rectangular selection. We can select this part and we may take out from here. Next, free from selection. You can also select your drawing in any shape. You can use the free from selection option. To use the free from selection, follow the steps. Here it is saying you can select your drawing in any shape. Here the first one is only rectangular shape. It will be selected on rectangular shape and we may remove this part or we may paste it on the other place. But on the free from selection, we can select our drawing in any shape, whatever we like. On this, the following steps we have to use. Click on the down arrow on the select button like the above. Click on the down arrow on the select button in the image group. A list of options will appear. Here you will get a lot of options. On this, click on free from selection. There the another option given is free from selection. Here free from selection you have to click and click on click and drag the mouse in any desired shape. When you are done, your selection will have a dotted rectangular box around it. On this figure also, a rectangular dotted box will come, but in any size we can select from this free from selection. On the next step, select all. We can select all part of the drawing. How to do? The select all option from the drop down menu that appear on clicking the down arrow on the select button. Similar work, we have to go to the select button and click here and find select all. Click there. The select all option from the drop down menu that appear on clicking the down arrow on the select button can be used to select the entire drawing. We can use select all option to select the all part of our drawing. Okay, and the next step we have to go to the clipboard option. What is clipboard option? Often we use features like cut, copy and paste in the document in Paint. These options are available in the clipboard group or the home tab. Now we are using cut, copy and paste options in this document. In any sort of document, either in Word or in Paint, we are using these options: cut, copy and paste, cut and paste, copy and paste, etc. In Paint, these options are available in clipboard group of the Home tab. Here you have to understand what is a clipboard. A clipboard is a memory location on the computer's hard disk. Whatever we cut or copy goes to the clipboard. When we give the paste command on the location, the content of the clipboard are copied onto the location. Now, what is the use of cut and paste feature? The cut feature is used to remove and select part of an image. Remove the selected part of an image, we have to use cut feature. The removed part can be pasted anywhere else in the drawing. After cutting some part of the image, we can paste it on the other location. Follow these steps to use the cut and paste feature. What steps we have to follow? Make a drawing in a Paint. First, we need a drawing on a Paint, and then click on select button arrow. We have to click on the select button arrow. Click on rectangular selection. There are options of rectangular selection available, or any options where you want. What type of selection you like, you have to click on. Select a part of the drawing or the entire drawing. We have to select how much we like to remove from there. Click on the cut button. We have to click on the cut button, and the selected part of the drawing gets out, means cut out or removed from this part. Then click on the paste button and move around the drawing. Place it where you want, and where we like to paste it, we have to paste it on the screen. Like here it is from this side it is cutting and it is pasting over here. Before using cut and paste command, there is a picture available here. After using cut and paste, it has been cut from here, means cut this one, removed from here and pasted on the other location by using paste command. Here given, do you know, if you want to move a part of the drawing just once, you can simply select the area or drag it anywhere on the screen without using the cut paste feature. If we want to move a part of our drawing just once only, then we can use we can simply select the area and drag it anywhere on the screen without using this command. Copy and paste. Many times we want to repeat a part of our drawing. For example, to draw a forest, we may draw one tree and copy it many times, or we can draw a night sky by copying a star many times. Just if we have to make a forest or many trees, we have to need to draw only one tree. Then after we use copy feature, and we can use copy and paste again continuously. How many trees we need, that much we can copy and paste continuously. Then the number of trees will available at one time. Or if we have to draw stars, then we have to draw one star only. After that we have to use copy and paste command. Then lot of stars we can draw. Follow these steps to make a night sky. Step 1, click on color 1. Step 2, click on black color. Step 3, click on color 2 and click on gray color. Click on the star shape button. Click on the fill button. A drop down menu will appear. Click on the solid color option. Drag and drop the mouse once on the screen. Click on select button and then on rectangular selection from the drop down menu. Click and drag the mouse button to select the star drawn earlier in the drawing area. Click on copy button in the clipboard group and click on the paste button. Now you will see another star on the screen. Drag it to another place. Continue pasting as many stars as you want. You can now fill the sky with black color. This is the steps for making night sky. We can use the keyboard shortcut keys for cut, copy and paste also. These are, if we press Ctrl key and X at the same time, then the figure will be cut out. Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. We can use resize feature on MS Paint to change the size of a portion of the drawing or the whole drawing. If we want to change the size of our drawing, then we can use resize feature. By this, we may increase or even we may decrease the size of our drawing by using this feature. The original size of the drawing is taken as 100%. The size can be changed accordingly. For example, 50% would mean half of the size, while 200% would mean double the size. Some of the steps has been given to resize. We have to follow it. Step 1. Make a drawing, say as a tree. Suppose we can draw a tree like this tree. Click on the select button and select the tree. We have to click on the select button and select the tree. We have to select it. Click on resize button in the image group of the home tab.